Boys and girls, welcome back. Today, we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. We're diving into the top 10, some of the most spectacular and some of the most amazing Amazon products you need in 2024. Welcome to the Top 10 Sphere. Let's kick things off with a bang at number 10. We have Revlon's viral hairdryer brush, which makes it easy to achieve a salon-grade blowout at home. According to our beauty lab experts who tested the Revlon one-step hairdryer, the long side of the brush works as a straightening paddle brush to smooth frizz, while the curved edges lift and volumize hair from the roots. As Amazon's best-selling blow-dryer brush, it's a budget-friendly yet effective styling tool to add to your beauty routine. At number 9, we have the Canon EOS 60D, which is a versatile DSLR camera with an 18-megapixel sensor and Digi-Key 4 processor for high-quality images. It comes with an EFS 18-135 emitter lens for versatile shooting with image stabilization. Features include a 9-point autofocus system, 5.3 FPS continuous shooting, and a 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD screen. It records full HD 1080p video with manual exposure control and supports external microphones. With a durable magnesium alloy body and various connectivity options, it's a reliable choice for photographers. Coming in at number 8, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are true wireless Bluetooth earbuds featuring active noise cancelling and ambient sound modes for immersive audio experiences. They offer a lightweight, comfortable fit with touch controls and auto-switch audio functionality. These earbuds provide long battery life and come in a graphite color option. Overall, they offer convenience, high-quality audio, and advanced features for users seeking premium wireless earbuds. Moving on to number 7, we have the Amazfit GTS4 Mini Smartwatch, which is a sleek and lightweight wearable device suitable for both men and women. It features built-in Alexa for voice commands, GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, and over 120 sports modes for comprehensive fitness monitoring. With a long battery life of up to 15 days, it includes health sensors for heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. Compatible with Android and iPhone devices, it boasts a vibrant AMOLED display and water resistance up to 50 meters, making it an ideal companion for daily use and active lifestyles. At number 6, we have the Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones, which deliver premium audio quality and convenient features. With Class 1 Bluetooth and an Apple W1 chip, they seamlessly connect to Apple devices. Enjoy up to 40 hours of battery life and fast fuel charging for extended listening. The built-in microphone enables hands-free calls and voice assistant access. Their comfortable on-ear design, remote talk controls, and sleek black color offer a stylish and immersive experience for music enthusiasts. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have the Crock-Pot electric lunchbox, which is a portable food warmer designed for travel and on-the-go use. It can heat meals, keeping them warm and spill-free. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's suitable for various dishes. The lunchbox is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and comes in a stylish black licorice color. It makes a practical gift for busy individuals who want to enjoy hot meals while away from home. At number 4, we have the Google Nest Cam, which is a versatile security camera suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it connects wirelessly to your home Wi-Fi network. It captures 1080p HD video with night vision, motion detection, and alerts. Two-way audio allows communication through the camera. Its weatherproof design and easy installation make it a reliable solution for home security. Taking the bronze at number 3 is the Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook, which offers an innovative solution for note-taking. It's eco-friendly, as it allows you to write and erase notes using a damp cloth, reducing paper waste. With its smart technology, notes can be digitized and uploaded to cloud services using the Rocketbook app. The notebook features dotted pages for versatile use and comes with a pen and cloth for erasing. Available in Infinity Black, it combines traditional note-taking with digital connectivity and sustainability. Runner-up at number 2 is none other than the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze, which is a 6.0 quart air fryer designed for healthier cooking. It offers 9 functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and more. With 5 speed settings for customization. Using rapid air circulation, it cooks food quickly with up to 95% less oil. The appliance comes with varied recipes and is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe components. Its sleek dark grey design adds style to any kitchen. Finally, taking the crown as our number 1 Amazon product you need in 2024 is the Honeywell HPA 200 HEPA air purifier, which is designed for large rooms, effectively capturing up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens. It covers areas up to 1,500 square feet and offers 3 cleaning levels, including a turbo clean setting for rapid purification. With electronic controls and a filter replacement indicator, it's easy to operate and maintain. Its compact design in black complements any room decor, providing clean and fresh air for a healthier living environment. The link to every single product mentioned in the video is in the description. Buy it now and enjoy it. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 Amazon products you absolutely need in 2024. Which ones are you adding to your shopping cart? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic tech content. Until next time, see you soon.